OFM Sport.
How serious is Kemi's niggle after the game the other day?
Yeah, I think we've got 9 players out for this game, Morgan. It was, I think a month ago, we had one injury. We're sitting now with 9 players out. Can just quickly mention it. Blankenberg, hooker from Western Province, he'll probably be out for about 6 months. Eddie David should be back next week. Malembe Mpofu should be back next week. Gustav Erlangs obviously got injured in the SA Cup. He's out for about 6 months. Dylan Smith hopefully will be back next week. Janko Ace, week or two. He's got an Achilles injury. Sorry, I'm just reading this. He's got a torn PCL and a torn meniscus, so he'll be out for a while. I don't think he'll play, definitely not play this year again. Dylan Maat, the torn shoulder ligaments that he did last week. He'll be out for a few weeks. And then obviously Derek Pretorius this is the last week of his suspension. So yeah, that's just an injury update.
And just lastly, if we look at the positive news, there's 2 debutants. We know what Jack Hart brings to the party, was excellent in the Toyota Challenge. But Jonas Venter must be a really big deal for him. Nice thing is he comes into the setup battle hardened after playing throughout the season. He's been active and he's probably want to make a big statement against his former team.
Yeah, Johannes Venter was with me for 2 or 3 years at CUT. He played with Eddie Davids and Derek Pretorius and Janu Botha those days at CUT. So it's someone I do know well. Yeah, we're lucky that SWD said that we're loaning him from SWD, so he'll go back after the Currie Cup. He'll go back to SWD. But yeah, obviously full of confidence. He's played in a good SWD team. Won the first division, and he was one of their standout players, So it's good to have him here. He's got experience. He was well coached now in the last few months at SWD. So yeah, I'm very happy that he can be here with us for a few weeks. And as I said, I know him well. I think his basics is very good. He's a guy who can get stuck in, be physical, and that's exactly what we feel we're going to need this weekend.